Buccaneers. Today we're going to check out the outdoor marketplace at Sawdust Art Festival. And today's a hot day, so we brought along the coldest water with us, which keeps our water cold inside this bottle for a very long time. You can order this at the link in the description and use the code LWB to save 10% off your entire order. You can also enter the coldest giveaway at the link in the description. Traditionally, we come here every 4th of July and Christmas. And usually this place is quite crowded, but now due to the pandemic, they only allow 48 rotating vendors. So that way, this whole area is more spacious for people to social distance. Be safe with 2 E's. Masks up. I want to point out that there's hand sanitizer too. One of them? Okay, so this is our first booth, and it looks like there's some vertical paintings here. Or are they photographs? They're photographs. Wait, no. Are these photographs or paintings? It's a pano photo, whatever that is. Oh, panoramic photo. Alright, I'm starting to get hot, so I'm going to take a sip of the coldest water. There's still a lot of ice in here. This used to be the art spot, which was like a little area for kids to make their own drawings and stuff. But now it's a vendor. Watch out for the tentacles, tentacles, tentacles. This is a painting of Kobe Bryant, and you can watch our video where we visited a whole bunch of Kobe Bryant murals by clicking up here. This booth sells greeting cards, and they all have their own unique little art design. So this is really cool. This place used to have a glass blower that made glass art, but now I guess the glass blower is not here. This booth has like a lot of dolls and stuff. They're like animal puppet thingies. I don't know how to describe it. Over here, there's an artist at work. At this vendor, there's glass straws. They're reusable straws. And they have like flower designs and stuff on it. Oh yeah, there's like sea animals too. Watch out for the tentacles, tentacles, tentacles. This stall or area is kind of strange because there's like shirts and then there's wooden puzzles that you can buy, and there's some paintings about aliens and robot monkeys. Oh, and then there's a 10,000 tentacles poster. Watch out for the suction cup, suction cup, suction cup, and tentacles. Over here, there's some paintings on canvases that have like bumpy surfaces. You can see over here that there's like a little crack in the canvas, and I wonder what they did to get that. It's the wishing well. I remember this. Over there's a crocodile. The reason why I know that's not an alligator is because alligators have rounded necks. There's a statue here of like a little baby or something, and I don't think it's part of any vendor. I think it's just a decoration. Hey look, that shirt is just dancing in the wind. Oh, it stopped. This place sells face masks with like art designs and stuff, and yeah. Why does that have a big road work ahead sign? That's kind of strange. There's live entertainment up on the stage.
Oh, darling, will love you every single night. Yes, I will. Think it just don't go out of sight. Oh, darling.
I like the Scarecrow artist because it has a oil painting palette that it's holding, and then there's also some oil paint tubes inside its pocket. What animal lives in the water but never gets wet? An otter. What type? A beaver. A water otter. No, a sea otter. This booth is kind of cool because there's like a lot of sea animals and stuff here. So there's a sea otter, and then there's some fish over there, and there's a sea turtle over there. There's some sea lions here, and they're really cute. Oh, the only place that lemurs live is Madagascar because they used to live all around the world, but then monkeys were more aggressive, so then the lemurs died out, except for the ones. No. They died out and then they moved to Madagascar. Yeah.
Next generation.
This is normally where you can make pottery, but I guess due to the pandemic, there's no more making pottery. I think I have made pottery though once here, and it was quite cool. Wait, it never made it back home, right? Yeah, but I think the pottery got lost in the mail because I never received it when I got home. There's ceramics down here, and that one has tea. Okay, so that is all for the outdoor marketplace at Sawdust Art Festival. And it's really nice to finally be back at Sawdust after like more than a year. Yeah, the last time we came here was like more than a year ago. And brother, what was your favorite stall? My favorite stall was the one with the ring-tailed lemur, the sloth. Oh, okay, that stall. The one with all the animals on the canvases with the map in the background. And my favorite is probably, you know what, I don't know. Some of them were really good, but I can't name an absolute favorite. All I'll say is to definitely check out every single stall here because you might find something that you really like. We hope that Sawdust opens up again for Christmas for the winter fantasy, and maybe Santa Claus will be here. Bye-bye.